Can I remove my skin tags? This is a very common question asked by many people across the globe. Skin tags are a nuisance. But the good news is that these skin tags are completely harmless as they are non-cancerous form of skin overgrowth that may be caused by one or many reasons. To understand if you should remove your skin tag at home or not, let us dive into the details of understanding what these skin tags actually mean. These skin tags are non cancerous, flesh colored growths that protrude from the skin, often on a narrow stalk. They are common, particularly as you age. They are commonly seen in those who are pregnant or who have diabetes. They also run in families. If you are having your parents or grandparents who are having skin tags, then it's likely that you are also going to have these kinds of skin tags later or sooner in life. These skin tags are often found around the neck or armpits or generally in the places of friction. Although they are usually harmless, but they become irritated when they catch on jewelry or rub on clothing. Sharp pain can sometimes develop if the skin tag becomes twisted. How these skin tags are actually removed by the doctors? The tiny skin tags may rub off on their own, but most skin tags stay attached to your skin. In general, skin tags usually don't require any treatment. But if the skin tags hurt or bother you because of the cosmetic reasons, then you may opt to have them removed. Your doctor may remove the skin tags maybe by one of the following methods. Cryotherapy, it is freezing the skin tag with liquid nitrogen. Next is the surgical removal, removing the skin tag with the scissors or a scalpel. Then electrocautery, burning of the skin tag with high frequency electrical energy. And finally, ligation, removal of the skin tag by tying it off with a surgical thread in order to cut off its blood flow. Skin tags removal usually don't require any kind of anesthesia. Your doctor may use a local anesthetic while removing a large or multiple skin tags. You can also try natural remedies to remove the skin tags, but keep in mind that there is no scientific reasons to support these remedies. I am detailing these methods here, but frankly I don't recommend you to apply any of these techniques. Most of the at home remedies involve drying out of the skin tag until it shrinks in size and falls off. You can go for tea tree oil, which is having antifungal and antiviral properties and is safe to use on skin. First, you should wash the affected area, then using a Q-tip or a cotton swab, gently massage the oil over the skin tag. Place the bandage over the area overnight and repeat this treatment for several nights until the tag dries out and falls off. You can also use banana peel over the skin tag to cover it with a bandage. Do this nightly until the tag falls off. Some people may use apple cider vinegar, which can be used as soaking a cotton swab in apple cider vinegar and then place the cotton swab over the skin tag. The acidity of the apple cider vinegar breaks down the tissue surrounding the skin tag and causing it to fall off. Vitamin E can also be used because aging may contribute to skin tags, and since vitamin E is an antioxidant that fights against wrinkles and keeps your skin healthy, then applying liquid vitamin E over a skin tag may cause the growth to vanish in a couple of days. Simply massage the vitamin E oil over the tag and surrounding skin until it falls off. And finally, you can use garlic to naturally get rid of the skin tag. You should apply a crushed garlic over the tag and then cover the area with a bandage overnight. Wash the area in the morning, repeat until the skin tag shrinks and disappears. Now, can I remove my skin tags at home? A very straightforward answer to this is no. It is not a good idea to try to remove skin tags on your own. Many websites are offering these kinds of remedies which I have listed above, but removing a skin tag in an unsterile environment may cause it to bleed, burn and get infected. So it's better to leave this kind of job to your doctor so that you don't develop any kind of infections or burns. I hope that you must have liked this video. Do give it a like, subscribe to the channels, and I'll keep you updated on the latest medical information or treatment, causes, and the home remedies. Thank you for your time. Have a great day. Bye.